This AI video generator changed everything because now you can market your products without any physical model. You can make them holding anything, you can make them wear your own clothing, you can upload your custom models, or you can select the AI generated models. And believe me, these models are so real that you cannot tell the difference that this is the AI generated. And believe me, you can make a lot of money with the affiliate marketing using these virtual influencers. So I'm very excited. Let's dive in. Alright, so the tool that I'm talking about is the TopView AI, and this is the website. And from the top bar, you can make the full product video by just entering the product link. And just below, we have a lot of different tools. We have the AI marketing tool, we have the AI video avatars, we have the product avatar, and then we have the product any shoot. And this AI tool is very useful that I'm going to explain later in the video. And if I scroll down, these are some of the templates, and these are some of the realistic looking avatars that you can use as your influencer. So starting with the product avatar. So for example, I'm doing the affiliate on this product. So I will simply save the image of this product and then get back to the TopView AI and make sure to select the avatar that is relevant to your products. So we have a lot of different avatars. So for this particular product, I'm going to go with this one and now hit replace with my own image. Then select your image and the AI will automatically remove the background from your image, and we have this image in front of us. And now this model is holding the exact same product. And just make sure you adjust this accordingly and make sure that this is aligning with the hands. And you can also make the mask around your product if you have selected any additional area. And once you are satisfied, confirm product position. And now the AI will start generating 3 different outputs. And there we go. Now we have 3 different variations. You can select any one that you like the most. In my opinion, the first one looks the best. But if you're not satisfied with the results, you can again click on the regenerate button and the AI will regenerate your images. But I'm satisfied with the first one, and now hit image to video avatar. And this is the output.
I'm TopView Product Avatar. I can hold your product with just one image. You no longer have to spend a lot of time and money searching for real models to showcase your products. Use TopView Product Avatars to make your video marketing faster and more effective.
Well, you can also use your own script, so just click on the use my script option and just type in the things that you want. Like in this case, I have pasted this if you have been struggling with the breakouts. And from here, you can also select the voices. So these are some pre-generated voices. But if you want to clone your own voice, you also have that option. But for example, if you have any pre-recorded audio, you also have that option. Just click on the import audio and you can upload your own audio file. But I'm going to go with the AI generated. So select the voice and hit generate. And here are the results.
If you've been struggling with breakouts, dull skin, or just want that effortless glow, listen up. I started using product name and oh my gosh, the results have been amazing. My skin has never been this clear, soft, and hydrated. It's lightweight, packed with skin-loving ingredients, and works like magic.
And this was amazing. And now you can see how easy it is to market your products without any physical influencer. Now let's try the product any shoot. So inside of product any shoot, you can upload any product. So these are some of the examples. So for example, I want to upload this t-shirt. So I will simply upload the image of my t-shirt. And now you can see the AI automatically made this selection. And you also have the option to erase or restore any part. Then you can select the number of images. Let's go with the 4. And from here you can select the public templates where you can also upload your own images. We're gonna try that later in the video, but first of all, let's go with some of the public templates. And this is a list of templates that you can try, and I think it covers each and every single aspect, from the PC, from the hair cares, from the fashion, from tech products. So we have each and every single thing inside of this one. So let's go with this one because we want this man to wear a t-shirt. And now just paint the area accordingly. You can also adjust the brush size accordingly. And once you are done, hit generate. And now we have 4 different variations, and you can see in all of them the text is intact. And even though I made a very rough selection, but still the AI performed really well. Well, this was a very simple image. Let's try something else. So this time I'm going to use this image. You can see we have a lot of complicated patterns in this one. By the way, this is the AI generated image, and we're going to use this image. This is also an AI generated image. So let's go ahead and upload our image. So this is going to be a shared image, and in the male model section, we're going to upload this female image. And again, just paint the area with the brush and hit generate. And again, we have 4 different outputs. You can select any one of them. I think all of them worked really very well. Now, what do you think about these shoes? This might be complicated, right? But let's just go ahead and select some public templates. So I'm gonna select this template and again, paint with the brush, and there we have it. And look at this, man. This is exactly the same pair of shoes, and this guy is wearing this seamlessly. And can you spot any fault in this one? I don't think so. Well, this is the first output, this one is the second output, and this one is also very impressive. Yes, the logo is a little bit weird here. We don't have the exact same text in this one, but other than that, each and every single thing is perfect here. So even though this was a complicated generation, but still the AI performed really well. And next we have this model again from the product templates, and this is the outfit. Let's see how does it perform with this one. Well, we also have a creative mode. So let's say if you don't want to use any pre-generated template, or if you don't have any model image, you can simply describe the prompt, and here you can see we have the prompt: put the dress on a smiling model standing in a flowers garden during the day. The style is similar to that of Zara's advertisement. And now if I hit generate, here you can see the AI generated the model and put that exact same dress on this AI generated model. And this is amazing. So let's say if you don't have any model, you don't want to go through from the brushing and selecting process, and you don't have any model image, you can just type in the prompt and the AI will generate that for you. And if I click on the AI design prompt, the AI will again generate a different prompt, and you can again hit generate, and there we go. Now we have a completely new model built from a scratch. And in the same way, we have hundred of other different templates, so you can use these according to your need. We have the commercials. You can also upload your own templates. So this is a list of templates that you can try, and if I just scroll down, the list goes on. But if you want to go with the AI generated image, you also have that option. And I don't think there is any other tool in the market that can generate the images with this level of accuracy. And here's one more example of this woman wearing sunglasses. And again, this is just insane. So this was just a quick tutorial, and this was just to give you the idea how this AI tool works. Well, you can use this in your own way, and you can try to advertise your own products, or you can use this for the affiliate products. So the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and check this out. And that's it from today. See you guys in the next one.